In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or connect to your VPN on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select network and internet. And then on the right side, select the VPN button. If you want to add a VPN connection, select Add VPN at the top, and then you'll fill in the connection name as well as the server name, VPN type, type of sign-in info, as well as username and password, and then you would save that to your device, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.